Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Archero to Beginner Guide. Welcome to Archero to Beginner Guide. First, focus on progressing through the stages, as advancing to higher level unlocks better rewards and help you understand the game mechanics faster. Next, prioritize your collectibles. Unlocking this early gives you valuable bonuses, so invest your resources wisely. Save your gems for midstone or chromatic chests to secure higher tier gear rather than spending them on lower value items. Joining a guild is highly recommended, as it provides bonuses like monster evasion and extra rewards. Make sure to complete daily and weekly tasks as they offer additional progression and resources. For your energy, use quick cons whenever possible to maximize rewards without wasting time. This concise guide covers the essential for beginners, setting you up for steady growth and success in Arc Hero 2. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.